everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 GMC Yukon, a full-size SUV that's packed with power, luxury, and advanced tech. Let's dive in and see what this beast has to offer. The Yukon's exterior is a real head-turner. Its bold and rugged design is both stylish and intimidating. The front grille is massive, and the LED headlights are sleek and modern. The door side and taillights are also LED, and feature a unique signature lighting pattern that sets the Yukon apart from other SUVs. The Yukon also features a power liftgate, which makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. Inside, the Yukon is just as impressive. The cabin is spacious and luxurious, with premium materials and attention to detail. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the infotainment system is user-friendly and feature-packed. You'll also find advanced safety features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert. The Yukon also features a premium audio system, with 14 speakers and 552 watts of power. Under the hood, the Yukon packs a powerful 6.2L V8 engine that delivers 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. This beast can tow up to 8,400 pounds and haul heavy payloads with ease. Plus, it features a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission and a robust 4WD system. The Yukon also features a max trailering package, which includes a 3.23 axle ratio and a trailer brake controller. So what sets the Yukon apart from other full-size SUVs? For starters, its advanced tech features, like the available 360-degree camera system and adaptive cruise control. Plus, its luxurious interior and premium materials make it a top choice for those who want a high-end driving experience. The Yukon also features